Hi there! Today I'll show you how to assemble this fun Valentine's Day box card. If you've already cut out your pieces, you're ready to go. Plus, don't forget, the included PDF menu has this handy diagram showing where the pieces go on the inserts. Let's get started!
So we've got the inside front, the insert 1 and insert 2, and I went ahead and glued those together just like you see in the PDF. So here's insert 1 with this glued onto it, and then insert 2 with these two hearts glued onto it. Then we've also got the card base, which I went ahead and glued pieces onto. So we've got this back piece. If you want to stamp or write something on it, you can. And then these three panels on the sides and these panels underneath, and these cute things on the front here. So on the back panel, we've also got three hearts glued onto the back. And then the next thing we want to do is go ahead and put some glue on this side tab here. Mine is stuck. I always have a pin handy for when my glue gets clogged up, which seems to happen a little too often. All right, come on, glue, there we go, oops. That happens to me from time to time. It gets stuck and then it all comes out too much, but that's okay. Okay, so we are gluing this side tab into place to form the box shape. And as you can see, it folds both ways, nice and flat. Now I want to take this decorated insert 1 piece and I want to put some glue on this bottom area here, and I'm just going to glue that right inside the front. Nice and easy. Then we can take insert 1 and fold these in, and as you can see, I darkened in the number 1 with a Sharpie just for this video so that you could see it, but your machine will have cut a 1 into the piece, which you can see if you look closely. So as you can see, I'm going to slide this in so that the top of the straight area there is flush with the top of the box card. And then the front of those tabs on the inside, they're also flush with the front of the box card. So before it completely dries, I want to fold it both ways to make sure it's going to fold flat, and it will. And then for insert number 2, the tabs are folded away from you, and we're going to put it in the same exact way that we put that first one in, with the top of the tabs flush with the top of the box and the back side of the tabs are flush with the back side of the box. And as usual, before it dries completely, I want to fold it both ways, make sure it's going to fold flat. And there's our super cute box card.
Here's how to make the envelope for your card. First, rotate your shape 45 degrees counterclockwise. Fold the sides in. Then, fold the bottom up and attach it to the side flaps. Insert your card, then fold the top flap down and secure it. That's it, your envelope is ready.